Alright, what's up, YouTube? This is the JJ Loco, and I'm just here with a quick reminder, if you already know. So I will have a pack opening coming up, the first pack opening of the year for my YouTube. So let's go to view team and go to view items, unclaimed, and we have 15 pro packs here. I will try to get 30. Once I get 30, then I will start opening some packs for my first opening of the channel. This is going to be huge. So we're going to be hunting for elite. After elite. So you're going to be hunting for those elites, man. Hopefully we get some elites. I love those elites. First things first, though. Where's the set at? I had a set that was supposed to... What set was that? Is that on the pick-up sets? Yo, do you know where... Okay, I can't find it. Once I find it, I'll end the video. I promise. Once I find it... It's probably an upgrade. Yeah. The free pro pack. So... No, I opened it. Oh, you see your first pack. Made our channel bang. And we get a Marvin Williams. So, I already know about that clutch God Kyrie Irving, man. So, yeah, that's all that we'll be doing. And look for that greatest of all time set, man. It will give you the GOATs. Y'all already know it. LeBron should be in there. Look for that NBA Supremacy. Look out and subscribe to my friend Monster Killer or Monster Gaming TV. You can just put Monster on Killer 49 on, and yeah, if you want to add me on PlayStation or Xbox, make sure for PlayStation you put the boss 13105. Peace out. Shout out to my boy Monster Killer, and check out my other channel, Games All Day. But other than that, JJ Loco.